But let me tell you this.
Budget.
There are two key events.
No age, budget. Huh?
No age. For every age, there's two events which are coming in. One, Trump tariff.
Tomorrow.
Today evening.
Tomorrow, right? Saturday.
हमारे लिए कल सुबह होगा, पर आज यूएस टाइम आज बताएगा ताकि कल से फर्स्ट से इम्पोज हो जाए. आज आएगा.
Okay.
और दूसरा जो है बजट. So before if and he's talking about 25% tariff on Canada, on Mexico, and he's not sure whether to put on crude.
China.
No, China नहीं है, अभी चाइना का नाम नहीं लिया.
What if China?
What if China? That is a separate thing. But चाइना भी छुट्टी पे वैसे भी. तो कनाडा और मेक्सिको में है, और अगर क्रूड में आ जाता है तो देन इट्स एन इशू विच इज़ गोइंग टू कम इन. सो हमारे जो कल का ट्रेडिंग है, स्पेशल ट्रेडिंग फेब फर्स्ट का 11 बजे तक, तो अगर ट्रम्प भी देखिएगा मालिक है, 11 बजे के बाद मैडम सीतारमण मालिक है,
मालकिन है.
तो ये तो आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं बजट से?
यार somehow my belief is that this time around, with due respect to the budget, because but it should be a statement of accounts, frankly. But I think Feb 7th becomes a lot more important than the budget this time around. The ball is in the square of the monetary policy, but be that as it may, because it's the budget and it's an important event, like 3-4 things. One, actually two key things to my mind, aside of course कि भाई अगर cigarette पे कुछ ये वो whatever it is, whatever is permissible in the budget, that's all individual, right? Components पे PLI, BL, etc. But two key things that I will watch out for. One is that, and I will not say fiscal deficit because it's a given. They will do 4.9, maybe they do 4.8 or 4.7, remains to be seen. So that's not a big surprise. One is that, do they tinker LTCG or STCG at all? Right? Hitherto, all the last few years, the market has taken it in the stride. It may not be the same this time. So that is one. And two, the capex number. Very important. Very, very important. Now, the only deviation out here is that when they announced the budgetary estimates, right? And लोगों ने बोला था कि पहले 2 quarter में there are issues, monsoon, election, etc. Quarter 3, quarter 4 it will pick up. But at that point of time, the loss of the reduction in receipts was not factored in. Now that there is a reduction in receipts and is the fiscal deficit tightening is a clear and present thing that we have to do, the outlays may not necessarily be as much as the people believe it will be. So capex पे क्या बोलते हैं? Does the government still say कि no, I'm happy to front load the capex even if the private sector is not coming? Most important, and hopefully this time around, for the sake of the capital markets, no tinkering with capital gain.
So before we go to the two questions of Rohit and Lilliput, Rohit is asking on PG Electroplast and Lilliput on Waaree Energy. Just wanted to put, I've been speaking to Mere Assets Sher Khan for last 4 days, special series which we are doing on YouTube for you guys. And he kept 4 or 5 things he said very clearly. One, FY25 का आपका कैपेक्स जो नंबर है वो लोअर दिखाएगा 10.5 के आसपास, 10.5 लाख करोड़ का दिखाएगा. इफ FM goes ahead and keeps 11.5 for FY26, that's a very bullish sign that she's been aggressive. 11.5 के ऊपर तो और भी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Second, fiscal deficit, it's known that there's a glide path to 4.4, 4.5. उससे ज़्यादा हेडरूम नहीं होगा उनके पास क्योंकि रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ भी कम दिखाएगा इस बार. और थर्ड जो है, they were of the opinion that if you are able to give us a glide path of how long-term capital gains will move across assets, then the street will be happy with it. STT में कुछ चेंजेस नहीं होंगे क्योंकि STT में ऑलरेडी पिछले साल किया था और FNO का इम्पैक्ट हमने देखा है कितना है, पर रेवेन्यूज फिर भी ऊपर है बाय द वे STT से. सो दैट्स फ्यू थिंग्स एंड ITC वगैरह में ज़्यादा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाट दे वर सेइंग. And yes, if consumption is really need to be pushed, maybe income tax up to 15 lakhs or something, अगर वो exempt होता है या 10, तो then that's something more consumption oriented budget. That's what they're saying. मीन्स उसके नीचे भी हो सकता है, ऐसी बात नहीं है, पर कंजम्पशन अगर रियली पुश करना है आपको तो
जो अभी न्यू रिजीम में 7 लाख है.
सो यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट बीइंग लिटिल एग्रेसिव एंड सेइंग, एंड मोदी जी ने बोला है ना, माँ लक्ष्मी से प्रार्थना करेंगे कि
तो होपफुली हम भी प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं माँ लक्ष्मी जी. Yes, I think a common man will definitely watch out for कि new regime में होगा तो new regime में ही होगा कि क्या अगर chances है कि अगर थोड़ा सा standard deduction भी raise कर दे, although उन्होंने 75,000 कर दिया था last time, so if that 75,000 is also raised to let's say ₹1,00,000, that will also bring in a lot of relief for a common man. And 7 lakhs to 15 lakhs a bit ambitious, yeah. But
7 to 10 होए तो
10, yeah.
10 भी अच्छा है. But in the same, the point is that you have to show the intent of pushing consumption, right?
Have you guys done the back of the envelope calculation कि अगर 10 हो जाता है तो कितना पैसा बचता है in the hands of the consumer?
यार
20% है उसका slab.
हाँ.
So 20%, yes.
Of 3 lakhs.
Of 3 lakhs should be the amount.
तो वो है. But PG Electro
PG Electro Plus, yes.
और
PG Electro Plus
can
and EPAC Durable.
कोई भी एफ शुरू की
वारी